morning, dear students. Hope you all are healthy and fit at your place today here. In this video, we will learn about the antivirus software that comes under the utility software category. Okay, so as we all know that when we access our internet and we download something and we use any hard disk or any other medium in a computer or in our device, then some of the viruses get affected to our system, that is the Trojan horse, worms, cookies and logical bombs and all that affects our system and make the harm. So for removing that or for getting the rid from that, we will use the antivirus softwares. Okay, it also make our system to run faster or to make its speed faster. So for further detailed knowledge of that antivirus and its type, we will move to our Windows screen. antivirus and its different types. Okay, so here first thing is, what are the antiviruses? So antivirus software is a part of utility software. Means we already knows that we categorize our software into three parts, and software are the set of instructions or the programs that are given to the computer to perform any specific task. So the categorization comes like in three ways. Number first, the application software, number second, the system software, and number third, the utility software. So the antivirus software comes under the category of the utility software. That's main task of that utility software is for to the maintenance of your computer system. So for maintaining the computer system, we will use the utility software. Now, antivirus is a type of program designed and developed to protect computers from the malware like virus, computer worms, spyware, botnets, rootkits, keyloggers, and such. Means antivirus basically it's a kind of software that are designed and developed. Means the main purpose of designing the antivirus software is to protect our computer system from different malwares that can be of virus, computer worms, spywares, bootnets, rootkits, keyloggers, any of them. Antivirus program functions to scan, detect, and remove the virus from the computer. There are many versions and types of antivirus program that are on market. Means today number of antiviruses are available on the market that has different work criteria. First, it can scan the computer system, then detect all the virus, and at the end, it will remove all the viruses from computer system and makes your computer system to work in a smooth manner. Without an antivirus program, your system will be vulnerable to virus and other threats. Apart from removing viruses, an antivirus software does have other major benefits. Whether it is a desktop used in home or office, it is essential for an antivirus software to be installed in them. While using them, users can come across the drawbacks as well. Means it is necessary when we are using any particular system and we are doing the work on any particular system, then that system must have installed the antivirus software for the smooth and the major functioning of that. As well as we know that a thing has its advantages as the same way or in the another way, it also has some drawbacks or disadvantages. Okay, so here we will talk about the advantages of our antivirus. So the first advantage of our antivirus is virus protection. Means the main role of an antivirus program is to stand against the virus and other forms of malware. Means antiviruses, the main purpose of designing the antiviruses are it basically removes the antivirus program from our computer system and makes our system free from the malwares. The next thing is the spyware protection. It includes credit card details, password, and other financial data. This ultimately leads to identity theft. Means when we are working with a particular system, then we will save our credit card, debit card details while transferring the money from one account to another, while paying the online bill, while doing the online transaction. So for that, we will use the spyware protection along with that antivirus. Most of the antivirus software nowadays provide the spyware protection facility. That antivirus software has been capability to prevent these kinds of spyware attacks. The next is web protection. The next advantage is web protection. While surfing the internet, users can come across various other forms of threats. Means while we are surfing or while the user surfing the internet, means if they can find anything over the internet, the number of pop-up ads are coming. Then by clicking on that link, the user can comes across the various threats. One of the way to overcome this is by using the antivirus software. For the web protection, the antivirus software is also used. The next is the firewall feature. Most antivirus programs include a firewall feature in them. The firewall, basically these are the hardware or software both. It can control or it can filter the incoming and outgoing data both from the system that goes from out and from the system that comes from in. So the antivirus program with firewall feature ensures two-way protection to your PC, means that whatever the information that is sent to or received will be double checked here. The next advantage of our antivirus software is cost effectiveness. Means even though there are many premium versions of antivirus program for a month over yearly subscription free, there are some antivirus program those are completely free of charge. Means nowadays number of antiviruses are free of cost available on the internet that can be of particular period of time, but by paying the premium version we can get the antivirus for the monthly over yearly subscription fee. Okay, so means antivirus are not too much costly. It comes only within 800,000 in that amount. Now we will learn the some disadvantages of our antiviruses. Number first, the system slowdown. Using an antivirus program means that a lot of resources from the memory and the hard drive is being used. As a result, it can drastically slow down the overall speed of the computer. Means when we are working with the antivirus in our system, when, or we can say once the antivirus is installed in our computer system, then it may cause the slower down the speed of your computer system, because a lot of resources from the memory can be available, that hard drive is being used. The second disadvantage is no complete protection. Means if we are using any free antivirus program, then there is no guarantee that will be provide you the complete protection. A part of this, if we are using a premium antivirus, if we are paying for a new antivirus, then it provides us the all the facility that makes the complete protection of your system. The next is frequent advertisement. Advertising is one of the way to achieve that. Many at a times, these advertisement degrades users' experience by showing up every time. Means number of when we purchase number of antivirus, then the frequent advertisement at all achieved by them, then many at a times these advertisement degrades the user experience. Sometimes it may be the irritative one. No consumer support. Means another drawback of a free antivirus is that it lacks or the other sides of customer support. Means if we are using a free version of antivirus, then it has the lack of customer support facility unless until we are using the paid or the premium version. Here our first antivirus is Avast. Avast antivirus is developed by the Avast for the Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Android and iOS. Means Avast is the famous and topmost antivirus in the list, and it can be worked with the Microsoft Word, Mac OS, Android and iOS operating system. The Avast antivirus products include freeware and paid version that provide the computer security, browser security, antivirus software, firewalls, anti-phishing, anti-spyware and anti-spam, among other services. Means Avast is available in both the premium version or as well as the free version. It's a freeware as well as the paid version. It can be compatible for all the security purposes like your browser security, like your antivirus security, like your firewall security, anti-phishing and anti-spam also. Here this symbol represent the Avast antivirus. The next is Quick Heal Antivirus. Quick Heal Technology Limited is an Indian cybersecurity software company that headquartered in Pune, Maharashtra and India. Means Quick Heal Technology Limited designed the Quick Heal. It is a cybersecurity company or a cybersecurity software company that's headquartered is in Pune, Maharashtra and India. The company was formerly known as the CAT, that is the Computer Service. Quick Heal Total Security is a relatively capable antivirus suite with a few nice features and fairly trouble-free interface. It can be available in both free of cost and the paid or the premium versions. The next type of antivirus is Kaspersky. Kaspersky Antivirus is an effective, efficient, and easy to use Windows antivirus solution. It will protect your PC from all types of malwares, virtually no impact on your computer system performance. Means it is a very effective and efficient antivirus that doesn't do any virtually impact on the computer system performance. The next antivirus is Norton. Norton Antivirus is an antivirus or anti-malware software product developed and developed and distributed by the Norton LifeLock since 1991 as a part of its Norton family of computer security product. Means it can be designed by the Norton LifeLock company. Here, the next type of antivirus is AVG. AVG antivirus, the full form of AVG antivirus is Antivirus Guard, is a line of antivirus software that is developed by the AVG Technologies. Means your AVG antivirus is developed by the AVG Technologies, that is a subsidiary of the Avast. AVG provides AVG antivirus free for Windows, AVG antivirus for Mac OS, and AVG antivirus for Android devices. All are freemium products. Means AVG provides its services free of cost for that Windows, Mac OS, and Android devices. Okay, they are free to download, install, and update and use. But the technical support, a premium plan must be purchased. Means if the user want the technical support, then for that they must have to purchase the premium plan by the company. So here you have seen the symbol of your AVG antivirus. Now, the next and most popular antivirus software is 360 Total Security Scan. 360 Total Security is a complete tool that is made up of 5 different engines that makes this antivirus program incomparable with the competitions. Means 360 Security is a complete tool. It's a complete tool that makes up of 5 different engines. It makes the antivirus program incomparable with the all the competitions. Means all the antivirus that are in the market is that 360 security is much greater than that. Okay, concerningly it includes the Quavo Clouds tools, Quavo system repair, and the QVM second AI engine, as well as the Bit Defender and the Avira. All. So here 360 security is the most popular and the most useful web browser. So hope you all are clear with all the contents that I have discussed. If you are having any issue, then you can ask me. Thank you. So students, that's all about today's information. If you have any doubt related to the topic like antivirus, then you can call me directly and you can WhatsApp me or drop a message in the drop box, okay? Along with this video, I have also attached one PDF. So you have to complete that work and send it to me on time. And good day. Have a nice day.